you go get those sheep, we already saw you flipping them over here. You want to try and bring those sheep around very nice and orderly and put them up through the race and under the tent. And the reason I'm going to have them do that is there's a bunch of, you can use all the dogs if you want, as many as you want. But I'm going to talk about a lot of different things that are going to happen. So, getting there. So first off, lots of different types of working dogs, all right? These are border collies, originated from the borders of Scotland and England. The farmers there knew they needed a dog that would go out and around their livestock, their sheep, which could be on the other side of the field. They might not even see them. They need a dog to go way out back. They push animals. So you drive cattle from one place to another, whereas sheep, you generally are trying to collect them, all right? So that's a big difference. The other working, they don't bark. And that's pretty effective. For flocks of sheep under 1,000, it's pretty effective to have a border collie. You start to get above that, then you do need a dog that barks so that they can hear them. So let's talk about the command. Border collies work in clockwise and counterclockwise command. He's telling Bonnie to go come by, which is a clockwise direction. All right? The counterclockwise direction is away to me. And you can see the other thing here, the task I gave him was to put these sheep up over this ramp here. And what this is it represents an area that we will bring the sheep through once or twice a year. Whoop. Missed a couple.
Whoa.
It's an area that we have to direct the sheep into. And so you notice he's taken a couple other dogs and lined the sides so that at least they didn't go on that side. He's going to have B come in to try it again.
No.
So the other thing is on commands. We don't use right and left commands. Like I said, we use